Hey everyone, welcome back to Guide with Samuel. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through how to transfer crypto from crypto.com to Trust Wallet, step by step. Let's dive right in. Step 1. Open your Trust Wallet app and tap on the crypto you want to receive, like Bitcoin or USDT. Step 2. Tap Receive and copy your wallet address. Make sure you choose the correct network, like TRC20 or ERC20, based on what you'll send. Step 3. Now open the crypto.com app and log in. Step 4. Tap Transfer, then Withdraw, and select External Wallet. Step 5. Tap Add Wallet Address. Select the right crypto and paste the Trust Wallet address you copied. Double-check the network. Step 6. Name the address, optional, and tap Continue. You'll need to verify via email or two-factor authentication. Checkmark. Step 7. Once the address is saved, go back and select it, enter the amount, and hit Withdraw. Reminder: double-check the address and network to avoid losing your crypto. That's it. Your funds will arrive in Trust Wallet shortly. If this guide helped, hit like and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more crypto tips. Thanks for watching.